Hi kids, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well and healthy. So are you ready with your notebook and pencil? Because your time is here to teach you. So let's begin our day on a positive note. So for that, first we will do prayer, then exercise, and in last we will do study. So let's begin Mool Mantra, Ekamkar. But before starting Mool Mantra, we have to cover our head and then join our hands and then we will close our eyes. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Now it's workout time and today we will do back turns in 5
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Have you enjoyed this workout, babies? Yes? That's great. Okay, children. In Hindi, today I will conduct your test of फलों के नाम. Okay? So for that, take out your Hindi notebook and write topic फलों के नाम like this. Okay? And in this test, children, you have to write any 5 फलों के नाम without taking any help from your parents. Okay? And next we will do fruits name in EVS notebook. Okay? So for that, take out your EVS notebook and write topic fruits name like this. Okay? So let's start with first fruit, which is apple. And what is the spelling of apple? A double P L E, apple. A double P L E, apple. And next fruit is mango. M A N, man. G O, mango. M A N G O, mango. Okay? And next fruit is grapes. Green grapes. G R A P E S, grapes. G R A P S, grapes. G R A P E S, grapes. Okay? And next fruit is orange. O R A N G E, orange. O R A N G E, orange. O R A N G E, orange. इसमें ज की आवाज़ आ रही है, इसलिए हम इसको दोनों को कंबाइन करके ज बोलेंगे. ओके, ऑरेंज. ओके, ORANGE, orange. And next fruit is fig. F E G, fig, fig. F I G, fig. Okay, and next fruit is banana. And what is the spelling of banana? B A N A N A, banana. B A N A N A, banana. Okay, and last fruit is plum. And what is the spelling of plum? P L U M, plum. P L A M, plum. Okay, so children, this is your EVS work. Now it's rhyme time, and today we will learn 5 little monkeys, which is 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fall down and bump his head. One falls down and bumps his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor says, no more jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One falls down and bumps his head. Mama called the doctor. Doctor says, no more jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One falls down and bumps his head. One falls down and bumps his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. No more monkey jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One falls down and bumps his head. One falls down and bumps his head. Mama calls the doctor. The doctor said, Mama calls the doctor. The doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. No more monkey jumping on the bed.